Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the new free FAB content. You have until January 14th to claim this, to claim all 3 packs. So let's go ahead and go to fab.com and then select explore now. So there's a pirate stilt village island, skeleton guard, which is modular, and a comic book cutscene. So I'm going to go ahead and just add these. You can actually add the professional version if you want. So I would recommend doing that. Switch the license over to professional and add those. So I'm going to go ahead and add each of them. Click add to cart. And I'll just head over to my cart and check out. And then just click place order. Boom. Easy. So an email receipt, blah, blah, blah. And it's going to say, congratulations, you can redeem a free 6-month subscription to Adobe Substance Painter and Modular. Wow. I didn't know that was a thing, but that's awesome. So don't forget to redeem that if you do get it. I'm not sure how long this is going to be up here for. So I'm just going to go ahead and redeem this. So you click on that link and then you're going to click get code. All right. So I just redeemed my code. It's pretty straightforward. It just gives you the code and then you paste it into your account on the Adobe site. It'll tell you to go there when you do redeem the code. So let's go ahead onto the Epic launcher. And I'm just going to click on this refresh button for the FAB library and import these into a project. All right, so I open a blank project, head over to Windows, go to FAB, and now I'm just going to import these one at a time. Apparently these free assets are not compatible with the latest version, so I'm just going to select 5.4. Hopefully it doesn't give any issues. I thought these free assets were supposed to be compatible with the latest version. I guess not. Add this one to project. Again, not compatible. This one I have to create its own project. So let's go ahead and do that as well. All right, so the comic book cutscene, it's available for Unreal Engine 5.5. All I need to do is just click play. This is the level you spawn in. Go over to the cutscene spawner and
What a beautiful day.
amazing.
Wow, stairs, just what I needed.
Meanwhile,
What a bad idea.
Nice.
That's it, I'm going home.
What the? What am I looking at? Did something happen? Oh, I think it's just examples. Okay. All right, that's cool. So it just shows you the lore is pretty much I can't go up these stairs. Oh, never mind. I should cut that out. So I'll head over to the comic book cutscene, go to blueprints. So this is the BP cutscene spawner, which is this square that we see in the level over here. And pretty much it's going to add this user widget of the cutscene. So when I go over to cutscene, it has this cutscene called W cutscene 01. I can go ahead and find this. And okay, so it's displaying a bunch of sequences of certain comic book layouts that's already predefined for us. And it'll keep playing the custom event. So it'll play the sequence, wait for the sequence to end, then play the next sequence, and then the next one, and then the next one, and so on. And then we'll allow the player movement. And yeah, overall pretty cool asset. They do have this comic book frame that you can use, as well as the speech bubble. So you can insert your text here. And this, let's see, slow motion, take screenshot, photo mode, stuff like that. There's some comic book pages. So the alignments, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can go this way. And just a big image, it looks like. But yeah, overall pretty cool. Let's check out the other assets. This is the Pirate Stilt Village Island Modular. And on your project, it's going to be called Cabin Lake. So don't worry if you get that confused. Overall, it does look really nice. I like the trees a lot. A lot of palm trees. Very windy on this beach. Extremely windy. This palm tree has like... What the... Is this 2 palm trees in one place? Or... Has like a bunch of leaves coming out the middle. Nice. The rest look pretty good though. This is a pretty cool stylized looking water asset. I do like how the reflections work on this. And you can also see some pretty minor effects reflecting off whatever's touching it. So for example, this boat. Pretty cool. Lots of dock assets, barrels, crates, these little sandbags. And I think there's some insides to this. So let's go inside. Nice. Yeah, so the inside looks really nice. There's some lights, fishnets, pretty much everything you need for the beach and some docks. It doesn't give me pirate vibes, so I don't know why it's called Pirate Stilt. I guess because it's standing on all these wooden stilts, I guess. But yeah, overall pretty nice. Oh, and they have like a lot of little tents here. Whatever that is. What is this? Oh, I think it's a rock. Yeah, I think these are supposed to be rocks. They look really flat though. Oh, okay. Now it looks a bit more like rocks. There you go, fixed. Easy. And they have this little outdoor shops with a lot of pineapples and mangoes and coconuts. So pretty cool. Looks like a really HD Mario Sunshine vibe. And yeah, let's check out the next one. So now this is the Skeleton Guard Modular. So you can pretty much assign armor onto a base skeleton like this. Comes with a few weapons. It's rigged to the Unreal Engine skeleton, so you have these default animations. So let me go ahead and hit play actually. Or let me simulate. And yeah, you'll see these skeletons playing the same animations on the UE4 Mini. On the UE4 Mini, you can see this. What? Okay. Where'd he go? I don't think he's coming back. So you can kind of see them explode and all the armor pieces separated and very modular. Let me go ahead and play that again. This guy just blew up on me. So this guy's just walking, just minding his own business. Hold on. So this guy's just walking, minding his own business, and boom. And yeah, that pretty much covers all the assets, all the free assets on FAB today. Don't forget to claim all your mega scans as needed, as well as that 6 month of Adobe Substance Painter that Epic's offering. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.